In this session, we will discuss some of the methods of prevention of corrosion. We know that metals are highly reactive. These metals react with atmospheric gases and form metallic oxide or metallic salts. This process is called corrosion. From this corrosion, metal lost its physical property. We are using the metal to do the what some articles in building process also. If that metal is corroded, the building, monuments, bridges will get weakened. This is a bad thing for us. For that reason, we need to prevent the what corrosion. The simple way are painting, greasing and oiling. By painting, the paint become barrier between that metallic article and that of the air. Thus it prevents the reaction between metal and that of gas present in that air. Thus it prevents the corrosion. Other simple methods are oiling and greasing. Here also, by the application of the oil become barrier between the metal and that atmospheric gases. Thus it prevents the reaction between metal and that gas. Thus it prevents the corrosion. The next thing is galvanizing. These are all the industrial methods of prevention of corrosion. Galvanization means here application of the zinc on the metallic article. By dipping that article in the molten zinc. In this picture we are seeing this car is dipped in the molten zinc. Then a layer of zinc is coated on that car or that article. Thus it prevents the corrosion of that metal article. But we know that zinc is more reactive than that of the iron. Here zinc layer get corroded, but that is beneficial to the what? That iron or a steel article. Here the zinc layer react with the atmospheric oxygen and form zinc oxide. That zinc oxide prevents the further corrosion of underlying zinc layer or underlying that article. In this way, zinc oxide prevents the corrosion of that article. The next thing is chrome plating. This is also plating a chrome on the what? That metallic article. Here the article which has to be coated is taken as cathode. Chromium metal is taken as anode. When electricity is passed through the solution, the chromium get deposited on that article. This chromium layer become a barrier between the what? Atmospheric gas and that of the article. Thus it prevents the what? Corrosion. Another benefit of this chrome plating is this chrome plating give a very good shiny or mirror like texture to the what? That article. For that reason, these chrome plated things are used in to decorate the bikes or car. That means these things are used for a decorative purposes in the automobile industries. Another thing is the what? Anodizing. Anodizing mainly used to protect the aluminum article. Here aluminum article which has to be protected is taken as anode, which is dipped in a sulfuric acid anodizing tank. Here when electricity is passed through the power supply, aluminum article react with the oxygen present in this tank and form a layer of aluminum oxide. This aluminum oxide protect the underlying aluminum layer from further corrosion. In this way, anodizing protect the aluminum from the corrosion. Another thing is making alloy. Alloy means this is the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a non-metals. We know that iron get corrosion very easily. If this iron is mixed with any other metals or any other non-metal, that prevents the what? Corrosion of this iron. Iron is very soft. When it is hotted, it easily expands. For that reason, we mix the iron with the what? Carbon. A small amount of the carbon is added in the iron. Then it will become very strong. Some of the examples of these alloys are stainless steel. Stainless steel is made up of iron, nickel and chromium. Here we are mixing nickel and chromium with the iron. This prevents the corrosion of iron and also give a what? A mirror or a smooth texture to the what? That article. Another example is brass, alloy of copper and zinc. We know that copper get corroded. It react with the atmospheric carbon dioxide and form a green copper carbonate. To prevent this corrosion, we are mixing zinc to the what? Copper. Then we get a what? Alloy called the what? Brass. Brass will not get corrosion. The brass is used to make the what? Some of the articles, some of the statues, and also used to make the what? Utensils. And the another alloy of the copper is bronze. Bronze is done by using copper and tin. Here also bronze will not get what? Corrosion. Bronze is also used to make the what? Utensils, statues, in other things. In this way, by making alloy, we can prevent the what? Corrosion of iron, corrosion of copper. These are all the what? Methods of prevention of the corrosion. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for further notification.